I finally broke down and got the walking pad that I wanted last year when I bought this standing desk.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Split without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Come up in your mouth, you whisper to me. I feel like.
So I bought this walking pad from Walmart because I had let myself get past my personal maximum threshold of what I want my weight to be. And it just wasn't feasible for me to find time with work and being a mom to go to the gym. So this walking pad is a good way for me to continue to work and also get some steps in. I started out by just clearing my desk off because it's impossible for me to focus on something, and that just would have been real chaotic. I'm walking and it's cluttered. So I just wanted to get my desk cleared off. So now that my desk is cleared off, I can actually unpack the walking pad. And this is what it looked like when I first opened it. It was too heavy for me to get up the stairs, so I had my dad bring it up the stairs, but it's really not that heavy. It's getting very much portable. So boom, I get it out the box, and this is what it looks like under my desk. I obviously had to raise my desk up since I will be standing. I'm only 5 feet tall, so not much. I discovered that the remote didn't have a battery, so I couldn't even use it once I figured out it couldn't be operated without the remote. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Now it's tomorrow. After some research on the website, I figured out it takes the same battery as my car remote. So I didn't actually have to go out and buy one. So I finally get to test it out, and I'm just checking to make sure it's one, operable, and two, it's not squeaky or anything. It did come with some oil for the track, but I didn't end up needing any. I look so stupid here, y'all. I'm just tacking away, just making sure that I could type if I needed to type while walking. Now, once I determined a good speed that I could in fact type, I came back the next day. I hate wearing shoes, so I tried walking with just socks on, and I absolutely hated it. I mean, it was fine. It was just that my feet hurt afterwards, so I learned my lesson. I'm about to insert a clip that I sent to my friend as soon as I bought it.
I'm using it, Joe, and getting work done.
A couple days later, my water bottle came in, which I can track my water consumption. It has both time of day and ounces. So this is fresh out the dishwasher, just me assembling said water bottle and showing y'all all the ways I can use it. I personally don't like drinking from a straw, but it can be helpful while walking to just not make a mess. But it has both a straw and an open pour. So here's yet another point of view and another day of me using my walking pad. I just wanted to show y'all kind of for consistency's sake, yes, I'm continuing to use this. And it's only taken 45 minutes, a minimum of 30 minutes I try to do on here. So it's not I'm just unproductive. Mind you, I am getting work done, but it is a little bit more difficult, especially using the mouse. Sometimes I have to click a million times because the mouse is kind of moving, so it's not double clicking. So that's really it, just me showing y'all a realistic point of view of what it looks like to use your walking pad while you're working. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and see y'all next time.